beauty. We got the black gut, all factory black interior car. And then we got a little surprise for you, boys and girls. Gen 3 Coyote, AC, heat, power steering, the whole works. And I got more, hold up. I got us a set of forged weld wheels. We got a 15 with an 11.5 by, or a 28, 11.5, 15. Forged 3-piece wheels for the rears, which I'm polishing out right now on my polisher. And then we got the fronts. This is all taped off so I don't hurt the anodizing. We got the 17 fronts. I want an 18, but 17 will do. Right now you can see, look at the difference in me just polishing them out. After I'm done polishing them, I will do PPF on all the barrels and all the black anodized. So the only thing I'll ever have to touch up is this inner lip, or this outer lip. And that's it. So that's the next thing. And then we got the big brake kit. I got a set of 26-inch slicks here, 26 by 11.5 50s if the 28s don't fit. And then we got the Cobra big brake kit for the rear, Cobra R 13-inch big brake kit for the front, and then panhard bar, torque arm bar, adjustable lower control arms. I'm trying to get this bushing in right now. And then I'm going to put some drag shocks in the rear, and after the drag shocks in the rear, I'm going to do, I got axles, I'm going to do a 331 rear gear, the Cobra rear brakes right there. I got pretty much everything I'm going to do on it. This car is heads, cam, intake, blower, you name it. That car will blow this car out of the water, man, because it's a stick. It's all on the 10-speed. The new 10-speed's where it's at. I mean, this car is fast, don't get me wrong. 12 pounds of boost, trick flow heads, custom cam, system max intake, Foxbody throttle body conversion. Just had the blower rebuilt. 12 pounds of boost, meth injection, all the best everything, 60-pound injectors, fuel system, Cobra R front brembo brakes, Toyo R triple-8s all the way around, custom Roush interior. It's fast. Car ran an 1170 with a 2.0 60-foot at 120 miles an hour on the street with no burnout. So it's a low 11, 10-second car just the way it is. Wait till I put welds on it, drag suspension, and the 85. It'll be a 10-second, 1080 car all day long. So more to come, ladies and gents, more to come. 85, I think it'll do a 10, probably 1080s, 1090s on E85. So I'll try to sit a little lower for you guys so you're not in the visor, because I know that was a problem with the other videos also. AC's blowing ice cold. Ugh. We got ice cold AC. I got some new LEDs I just ordered for the, see, it says I'm in drive. Yeah, ice cold AC. The AC wasn't working because the wide open throttle cable was, or the wide open throttle wire thought that the car was going wide open throttle all the time, so it cut itself off instantly. They fixed that and it works perfect now. Stereo, I gotta still do. I got a lot of work on that to still do. Where's my phone? I've got all kinds of interference going on with the stereo right now, and the reason for that is because I haven't had time to mess with any of that. So, but we got hands-free calling. I got Google Maps. I've got everything basically a modern car would have. I still have to do the sound deadening. I haven't done that. I've got 2 boxes or 3 boxes of Dynamat, the real stuff. This isn't just drive, so I can go down, 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 down. Then I can put it back into sport mode, and then I can hold the gear if I wanted to do like a 40 roll or something, and you can put it back in and it'll downshift again. But Cool thing is you can see with the end gauge, I have every single thing, even with the AC on full blast with the stereo booming, everything. I'm at 14.6 volts still, even at idle. This thing has such good voltage. Look at that, 14.6 volts. Even with the high, I can put the headlights on full blast. High beam, still 14.5 volts. So we got great voltage. So it's grounded right. Ice cold AC, air intake temps. I got regular temps, short-term fuel trims. However I want to set it up. I got blue LED AC things, so those match my Dakota digital gauge dash blue. Eventually I'll get the new one that has all the, all colored stuff, but for now this one will work. And like I said, I ran dragging the car 2060 foot, which was horrible, no burnouts. Still had the AC on. Right now the way the car's set up is it doesn't have a wide open throttle cut off for the AC. So the AC was on and I still ran an 1170 at 120. So I'd say the car's an 11.0 car right now. Alright guys, so this is me doing a quarter-mile run. I gave up way before the end of the quarter mile. You can hear it on the draggy. I let out and then it'll say quarter mile. I didn't do a burnout. If you look at my 60 foot, if I could get that down a lot lower, technically that was an 11-second run or close to it. But I didn't do a burnout. I basically just literally turned the draggy on and stalled the car up and gave it, the go. But if I put the welds on it, this car is definitely going to run 11.0s on pump gas most likely. This is on stock rear suspension, by the way. No panhard bar, no torque arm bar, no lower control arm, stock uppers, stock springs from 1990, all stock stuff, bushings, everything from 1990 in the rear of the car still. On a 275 Mickey Thompson R on pony wheels. Once it's on those welds, that's 210s probably there, just the weld wheels alone. And rotating mass suspension, fudge. And then an E85 tune. A 60 pull here. Yeah, it's definitely flying, boys. That was 110, 115 in no time. And then when you want it just in drive, you can use the select shift to make sure it's in drive and then just drive it normal. But yeah, we'll sound in this whole thing, get the stereo going, and we'll get this thing rocking. And I gotta change the bulbs on the LEDs on the AC controls to blue to match the gauges. I drove it last night in the dark last night for the first time, and the gauges look great, but green and blue don't look the best together, because I got a brand new 24 GMC badass lifted truck with a huge stereo. It's such a nice truck, and all I want to do is drive this, and you wouldn't believe the attention this car gets when I go anywhere. Okay, let's go down, 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 down. This car is fast.